Jayla Brenay, and welcome back to another YouTube video. So I'm super excited today. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my light beat, something very simple when I don't really want to put on makeup for real, but I still want to make it look like it's something on my face. This look is perfect for your everyday look, a work look. Like, I literally throw this on whenever I want to have on some makeup, but not too much. So first things first, I'm going to be using Bobbi Brown, this hydrating face cream. I gotta stir it up a little bit because we went on a trip, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm just now taking it out of my suitcase. Just rub that in. And then I'm also going to use the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. So the first one was a moisturizer, and this one is more of a primer. And it's very thick, and I love it. I actually love Bobbi Brown's brand in general. They have really high quality product. I didn't really break your bank to purchase it. I wouldn't say it's like up here. You definitely have some that are more expensive. And then the first thing that I do are my brows. So I'm actually gonna do those off camera. I'll do a separate makeup tutorial if you guys want to see it, but I'm gonna do those off camera and I'll be right back. Brows are done. It's really simple. I just use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. And I use the one that has the pointy end, if y'all can see that. And then I just go in with the Patrick TA brow laminating. Yes, brow laminating gel. So I love this stuff. It makes it look like my brows are laminated. I already have them microbladed, so I really don't have to do too much. I just like them to look a little bit darker. I actually need to go back and get my microblading touched up, but these are the brows. Now we're gonna do the eyes. So one thing that I hate are my under eye bags, and I just like to fill that in with the Skin Corrector Stick in Rich Peach, and this is also by Bobbi Brown. So this is like a concealer color corrector, but it's very close to my skin tone. So I literally just go in, look at this over here. I literally just go in and fill this in really well. And then I kind of let it sit for just a second. You can already see, like, bags gone, disappeared. But I'm gonna let that sit for a second while I get my beauty blender ready. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and blend this into my skin. And like I said, you wanna get a color that's really close to your skin color already. So that way, like, it just blends nicely. And we're doing like this light beat is almost like a no makeup look. Like, you wouldn't even know that I have on makeup. So then I'm just gonna blend that in all around. See? And then I'm going to use a setting powder, and I use the Honey Translucent by Laura Mercier because I really I want to have some glow under my eyes, but not too much, so I'm using honey. So I'm just gonna set under my eyes. Like such. Honey, bags disappeared. And I do this usually twice. I don't really like bake this, so I'm gonna literally like blend all of this in right when I'm done, because again, we don't want to really look like we have on makeup, so we're not gonna let that bake. We just gonna blend all of that right in, and boom, girl, like cute already. Okay, after that, I usually save my mascara for the very end, because I don't have on lash extensions, and I'm not gonna put on any lashes. I'm just gonna do mascara. But something that I just started doing recently is blush. Like, it's so crazy how a little bit of blush can just make you look so good. So, oh, I'm using the Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place. And this, yeah, Warriors 2. So I'm taking this color here and this color here. I'm mixing them, and I'm just gonna sweep this across my face, my cheeks. And not too much. Literally just want to be a little rosy, but not too much. To the point where you can see it, but again, I want it to look like I have a natural red undertone, not that I have on makeup. And I'm sweeping it up. And then I just take literally a little bit, excuse me. I take literally a little bit and just go over my nose. Not too much. Okay, perfect. And lastly, well, not technically last, I'm gonna set this, because I'm actually gonna stop right here. I've done my brows, I've done under my eyes, I put on a little bit of blush. I'm gonna set this just so the concealer that I did stays in place. And then I am going to take a little bit, just a tiny bit, because I want to glow today. It's a very nice day outside. I'm gonna take a little bit of Juvia's Warrior, the first one. I don't know if it's the first one, but just the Warrior, not the Warrior 2. I'm gonna take this palette. I'm gonna get a little bit of this one in the middle because it's brighter. And I'm just gonna dust that on my cheeks a little bit. And again, this is a regular Saturday, so I don't want to do too much. It's during the daytime, so it's already like sunny outside. So I just want a little bit. I just want to glow on my cheekbones just a little bit, but not too much. But you want to wait until, see if you can see it right there. You want to wait until you set before you do that. And then I'm gonna take a little bit and just do my nose. And y'all, my forehead already be busting with these braids, but I'm gonna just take a little bit and do my forehead too, because why not? Okay, now that I've done that, the last step is mascara. I usually just use this primer. It's by Too Faced Better Than Sex Foreplay. So it's a primer and mascara all in one. I just take this. And my lashes are like low-key little, so I only prime the top. I don't prime both the top and the bottom. But I am gonna put mascara on both the top and the bottom. So I'm gotta look in this mirror. I'm gonna put mascara. I hate what we as women do with our, well, maybe it's just me, what we do with our mouths when we put on mascara, because I feel like my mouth have to be open while I'm trying to do mascara. And again, this is the Better Than Sex by Too Faced. Okay, so that is my top my top lashes. Very cute. And then I'm gonna do my bottom. And this is the completed look. So cute. Again, this is a quick 10 minutes makeup, no makeup type of look. As y'all can see, we have the mascara, we did our brows, we put the color correctant under our eyes, and we set it, a little bit of blush and a little bit of highlight. Under 10 minutes, still very cute. Love, love, love it. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what y'all want to see. Like, what looks y'all want to see. Do y'all want more quick, cute tutorials? Do y'all want to see me do a full beat? Like, let me know. But thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.